Welcome and thanks for watching today. Precision imaging requires the right optics, and the Theia TL1250P-IQ delivers exactly that. Designed for machine vision, security, and automation, this 12 to 50 millimeter motorized telephoto lens combines high-quality optics with advanced intelligence for seamless remote operation and superior image quality. So let's explore what makes this Theia lens the perfect solution for demanding imaging applications. This lens isn't just any telephoto lens. It's equipped with a motorized zoom, focus, and iris, allowing for remote adjustments in real time. Whether the camera is in a hard-to-reach location or part of a dynamic automated system, this lens provides the flexibility to fine-tune images without manual intervention. This is especially valuable for autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, UAVs, and industrial automation where precision and adaptability are critical. So beyond its motorized capabilities, the TL1250 includes factory-calibrated intelligence that enables accurate and repeatable zoom and focus settings. The built-in zoom focus tracking curve maintains sharp focus while adjusting focal length, eliminating the guesswork in setup and operation. And with a high-resolution design, this lens ensures crystal clear imaging, making it ideal for applications like inspection, license plate recognition, and long-range surveillance. The TL1250 is designed for plug-and-play integration. Its motor control board and software development kit allow users to set up parameters like field of view, object distance, and depth of field with ease. So the Theia TL1250P-IQ is the perfect combination of precision, intelligence, and automation, providing users with remote control, superior optics, and effortless integration. So if you're looking to optimize your imaging applications, please check out the link below to learn more and take your imaging capabilities to the next level. Thanks for watching.